Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to have a Getnailed 32 haul, and right now I'm just going to be unboxing everything, and then I'm going to take it out of its packaging. But I did get a lot of acrylics. I even got the silicone mat that's for practicing acrylic with, and I got some swatch sticks and some buffers, I believe, and everything came relatively quickly. Here is her information. I will leave Natali Carmona's information in the cards as well as in the description. So for starters, here are these swatch sticks, and I will be using them to swatch. I actually really like these swatch sticks, and a lot comes in them for the price, and they got here very fast. It's like, it's almost as fast as Amazon, but not as fast as Amazon, if you know what I mean. But when they get here, it's always going to be good quality, so you don't really have to worry about the quality or anything like that, or it never showing up. So the buffers, those are the only other buffers I use, except for Red's buffers. I like these because of the grit and the size of them and the fact that they don't fall apart and they're not too flimsy. Here are the acrylics, and then here is the Getnailed 32 transfer gel, and I can't wait to use that. And here is the Natali Carmona top coat. I know the top coat is $10, but I forgot how much the foil glue is. And here is the back of the bottle. And I really enjoyed this top coat. I used it on my mom. You guys are going to see that set in like right after this video. And then here is the first acrylic powder. So these are 2 ounces and they are $15, and sugar, which is 1 ounce, which is technically a colored acrylic, is $10. So here is Pinkalicious. I will be doing swatches on the swatch stick as well as the paper towel. And here is Real Nude. Again, the big containers are 2 ounces. Here is her original launch. As you can see, it's a different label, different packaging. And she said the consistency is supposed to be the exact same as these 2 acrylics. And that was her monomer I showed before. I'm not using it, but her monomer is actually really good, but she only sells it in the beginner's kit, which is when I first got it. And that's how I got the clear and the pretty in pink. And I definitely recommend these acrylics. I enjoyed the consistency of them. Like I said, they are the exact same. And if my beads look a little bit weird, it's because I was using a size 6 brush. So please enjoy the color. And I also did over the top swatches just so you can see how they really move. So I'm going to let you guys watch me do the clear and the pretty in pink, and then I will be back. So now we're getting into the new stuff with the new packaging. And I really enjoy that the names are on the bottom. Even if they're on like the side, that would be nice too. So I love her new Natali Carmona label at the top. This one is Blanca, which is just a white, and it is a very nice white. It's not chalky or anything. And look how white it is. Like, it is very, very, very white, and it's not chalky, which is pretty hard to do. And if you don't like white, you might not like this white, I guess. I know some people like a very specific, like milky white, where it's more clear than white. You can tell if there's clear in here, but it's not too much clear. It's just enough clear to make it blend very easily. And I really did enjoy this white. And I like these swatch sticks too. They're not my typical swatch sticks I use. I do use the stiletto ones now, but it's not as like pointed as this. These are very long and I really like them. And it was very easy to swatch all the acrylic on it. But these do have like a little bit of an apex at the top, as you can kind of see. And the acrylic did not want to stick on that little apex. So that's why I kept having to add more of the acrylic. And it's literally just for color. Sorry, I was out of frame kind of sort of. Well, I was just off to the side. But I do that a lot recently. Even when you're going to see me doing my mom's nails in the next video, I do pull my hand off to the side quite a bit. Also, let me know how you guys like the new intro. I literally stayed up for a very long time making that. That's kind of the reason why I didn't want to upload these videos, just because I feel like I needed a new intro. Like, I liked my other one, but I just feel like I needed a new one. So I figured out how to make it. I made it last night, and here I am doing the voiceover finally. I guess that's what I needed to be inspired. But yes, here is Blanca, and I left all these swatches in real time, by the way, because A, this video would have been like literally less than 7 minutes, and B, so you can see what it actually looks like, how an actual, you know, swatch would go. So this one is, I think this is Pinkalicious because it's more pink. And then the next one is going to be True Nude, but I could be wrong. But I'm going to let you guys watch. And then I will be showing you the colors next to the name after I'm done with all the swatches. Monomer I'm using is Acrylic Creamery. So that was True Nude. This is Sugar, and it is a colored acrylic, and she recommends it to be kept in clear. So that's why it's in the smaller container, because she wouldn't recommend building like a full nail out of it due to the pigments in it. because I do the same thing with my colored acrylics. I don't use it to build up the nail fully. I only use it as color, and then I encapsulate just in case, even though this would probably be fine if you didn't cap it. But it's also not a lot. Like, it's literally not a lot. And I don't know why I decided to lay the bead down differently that time, but I guess I was having fun. But I really do enjoy this consistency. It is like the exact same as all the other ones, and it is a pretty color. She has some very cute fall tone colors on her website right now in the acrylics, and she does have a gel polish collection as well. If you guys would like me to try out the gel polish collection, let me know. Or if you would like to see more from her website, let me know. I also have a community tab now, so I'll be making community posts there so you could see what I'm doing. Here is Pink Alicious, very cute color. This is Blanca, which is the white. Sorry, y'all. Look at this. And then I forgot what color I picked up too. I'm sorry. I don't know why my brain is like that, but there's Blanca. Here is Real Nude, which I really love all of these colors. And these are so pretty. I don't know why I kept trying to put it on there, like balancing it. It was not working. And then this is the Pretty in Pink. And I just showed y'all Sugar, and you guys know what clear looks like. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and ring the bell. Everything I have linked to be linked to down below in the description. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.